Hello everyone, we are here at
SeaWorld.
So we're going to show you what it's going to be like for 4 people with 2 kiddos. So we are here with our niece and nephew, Kevin and Macy. Woo!
It's Bring Your Niece and Nephew Day at SeaWorld.
Yes. So this is their first time at the park. So the first thing I think we're going to do is I think we're going to head right on over to Manta.
Manta. It's scary, but I'm going to do it.
But you guys ready for some Manta?
I said
fun?
I was one and done on Manta because of the G-forces, but for Kevin and Macy, I'll go ahead and do a 2 and done. Oh, here it comes. And there it is. That's what they want me to go on. Might as well get it out of the way. Yeah, you come in here, but we may as well get this out of the way first. Oh man. All right, well, change of plan so far. The app said Manta was 10-minute wait. The sign says 90. So
off to Penguin Trek.
Plan B, we may be having to buy express passes. All right, we're doing an audible here. We are riding the Kraken. Andrea may be trying it, so if you see or hear her on the ride, you know she's on. All right. Macy! Oh, there's Mako at the top of the hill. Wow. Here we go! Underground! And done. Oh. That's it. You did it. I was worried with all the corkscrews.
I clutched my neck. That was fun. Yeah.
Macy, did you like it?
I didn't even.
All right. Success.
Unfasten your seatbelt.
We just rode Kraken, and in tradition in June in Florida, it's rainy season and it poured on us. But these 2 were a little uneasy and they went on it.
Yeah, so the boys did fine in line. The girls were hesitant, but we all did it and we loved it.
Good job. Good job.
Sure.
Good job, Kevin.
Okay.
All right.
All right, we all did it. Now we're thinking maybe a little Mako action. That's the fastest ride in the park. That is the hill right there. All right, you guys, are you ready?
Yes.
Holy cow. Mako is so fun, everyone. So fast.
All right, I'm ready.
Little bright, little bright. Oh man, here we go. Wow, look at that view. All right. Ho, ho! Ho, ho! Ah! Whoa! Man! Ah! It's so fun! Whoa! Woo! Air time! Oh man! What a ride! So fun! It's not over. It's not over. It's not over. Oh man, what a ride. Good job.
You thought it was over.
What'd you think?
Oh, it was
Awesome.
yeah, that's all I have to say.
All right.
All right, we just did Mako. Macy, what did you think of Mako?
So it was like my first like actual like big coaster with only this. Well, besides your Red Rocket, but it was very good. It was the best coaster I ever rode. I'll say it was really good.
200 feet, you just fell.
All right, well, good job
All right.
to both.
And then you'll see how the rest do on Manta.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat.
Okay, we enjoyed this so much last time. We're gonna eat at Waterway Grill once again. And who doesn't like chicken tenders? Everybody. And then they also have on the left there 2 free beers if you're a pass holder and a pass holder lounge. All right, so we have chicken tenderloins and fries. These are so good, and it looks like they got a bonus one. So that looks amazing. And then I got 2 free beers. I'm not sure what these are. He said the name of it, but I'm still not remembering. I've never heard of it, but they're good. All right, so Andrea scored little pass holder freebie sodas. She came back with 3 sodas. So kids each got one. And are the tenders approved?
They're very good. They are kid approved.
All right, and the soda.
Kid approved and adult
I
approved.
mean, who doesn't like a freebie soda? All right, we're not going to be seeing the orca show, but holy cow, they're just swimming by here. Wow. All right, swim by again. Here it goes. Wow. All right.
There he goes.
We are going to try for Penguin Trek, but so far the ride times today have been very, very high, especially for
probably not
SeaWorld.
It must be down.
0 minutes, perfect. I don't think that's true.
Are you guys ready? There you go, Kev! Woo! Woo! How did it go, guys? How did you do? Woo!
All right, how do you fit? And then it would tilt down onto your stomach. It's got to hold you in. Here it comes. Hello! Oh my god. It's bringing back memories. I said I was one and done on this coaster, and it's not true. Wow.
The view. Epic.
Yes, look at the view. Epic, I don't know. Oh boy. Oh. We're upside down. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. Right there is the G's. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hey. Whoa! Holy cow! Alright, Macy's liking it. Alright, here we go in the water! Whoa! I got wet. Wow! God! Alright. I am 2 and done then. That is crazy. It's intense.
And my glasses fall again.
No, you're good, you're good. Alright, thumbs up or what?
Thumbs up.
Alright, for me, I am done with this one. It's too much.
It's a little bit uncomfortable.
Photo key. All right, another great ride, Pipeline. Look at this. So we're hoping this isn't like a 70-minute wait, but so far the waits have been way less than what they say. So we want to say Mako said like 50 minutes, and
It
it
was
was
about
like
25.
25, yeah. Time for Pipeline. Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Air time! Whoa! Ah. Whoa! Air time! Oh. Whoa! Nice. Woo! All right, another good coaster here at SeaWorld. Macy, Kevin, good? All right. All right, so since you've seen us last, we've done Manta and we've done Pipeline. What do you guys think? You like them both?
Decent ride. Manta hurts, and Pipeline has extremely violent airtime because you're standing. So I'd still recommend them though.
Did you like them, Mason?
Pipeline, it was really fun. The airtime caught me off guard a lot. And Manta, I almost fainted because it was very scary. I'll say that.
And I was not allowed on the Pipeline because they sat in my bag. And then Andy showed me a picture. They have a spot for the bags. So you can take your bags.
Fail.
But I think we just have one more ride to try. We might try Icebreaker after we get a little ice cream snack. And then I think we're done for the day.
And then that's all the coasters, actually. That's all of them.
Yeah, that's all the coasters. So, woo!
In the day with a little snack, Ritas, we have frozen custard. Good stuff.
Very good. Did you do it?
Oh, there's a shot.
All right, well, thanks for coming along with us for this quick trip to SeaWorld.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. We went on almost every coaster in the park.
Yep, so we do have the ride footage for you, and we got to show you what it's like having kiddos along here at SeaWorld. So I think they had a good time. We had a good time. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up.
Yep, make sure to subscribe, ring the bell so you see all our videos.
Yep, and see ya! See you on our next adventure!